Everybody, it's Cinnamon. Today we finally have Shopkins again, which is awesome. I'm not entirely sure if I'll be able to get this video out in time for it to still be considered Wednesday, even if it's just in my time zone. But oh well, I tried. It did take several weeks for the stores to get these back in because they are so popular. But all that matters is we got them back. I guess for a limited time. It's almost like time for season 5 to be out. But that's okay. Remember, these do have small parts. Don't let your kids put them in their mouth, or they might start choking. These are still about $2.88 in the store. If you order them online, it will be a bit more. Okay, let's get to opening them. Okay, this is the first one we're going to do. Don't forget to throw all of your trash away when you're done. Very difficult. Ooh, we got a pair of earrings. And what looks to be a peanut butter cup. Awesome. We're going to unfold this real quick so we have it available to us. Let's start with this. I still love the gradient on these. Okay. Turn her over so we have a base. I was right. She is a peanut butter cup. Her name is Betsy Buttercup and she is common. Awesome. There we go. Yep, Betsy Buttercup. She's common. Oh, we're gonna move on to this cute little set of earrings. Sorry guys, I had a lot of issues with my lighting. Come on. The ink on these bags just rubs off. There we are. Little blue kitty cat earrings. Here's our second box. We have the lighter pink shade. If we can get through this plastic. There we are. Ooh, we have some bread and a little Petkins remote. Awesome. Let's start with Petkins. Flip this over for a stage. That sure keeps rubbing onto the bottom board. Isn't he just a cutie pie? Okay, this is Rita remote. Just like all other remotes in the house, I drop her as well. And she is multicolored because she also comes in blue, but we got the pink one, and she is special edition, just like all of the other Petkins. We'll go ahead. Oops. Sorry, guys. Open this one. If we can. There we are. Whoa, I almost knocked everything over. Ugh. The ink in the bags keep rubbing off on me. I love the gradient in the painting on these. Okay, let's find her. This is Breadcrumbs. She is common. There we go. We can go ahead and move on to the next one. Here we have box 3. This one is a darker pink, just like our first one. Plastic on these is a little hard to get than the first ones. Maybe my nails got softer. There we are. Can't tell if this is a balloon or a fruit. Probably a balloon. And a little hat. Oh, look at her. Do the balloon first. Ooh, I hit the camera. And this is June Balloon. And she is common. There we go. A little snowflake on her forehead there. We'll go ahead and find her in the... And this is Woolly Hat in the green. And she is what looks to be rare. Let's see here. Is that rare? Yep, that's rare. Here we have box 4 of our blind boxes. That plastic came up a lot easier than the other ones. My lovely pile of trash. We have a little cactus. And fish food? I think that's what it's trying to convey. I'm not entirely sure. It looked like a bottle of some sort. But it's probably just a Petkin. You even save the flakes of food. I love how the lid is metallic. He even has a little tail. That's adorable. Let's find him in the guide. His name is Fish Flake Jake, and he is the special edition since he is a Petkin. Thanks, Fish Flake Jake. There we go. Go ahead and open our little cactus friend. She even has a blooming flower on her. Cutie pie. We'll go ahead and find her. Her name is Prickles. She is down in the garden stuff. There we go. She is common, but we love her anyway. Here's our last box. It is white. Ooh, we have a party hat and a donut. Awesome. We'll do the donut first. Ooh, I popped it. Ooh. There we go. She's slightly pink in the center. Chocolate glaze with yellow accent. We'll go ahead and find her. And this is Dolly Donut, and she is rare. Awesome. Ooh. The hat bends. Can't open it from that end. Ah, that's where the puff was. I found the hole. Oh. He even has a noisemaker. We'll go ahead and find them. And that was Marty Party Hat. He is a common. Awesome. Thanks, Marty. Well, here they all are together, even though you can hardly see them. Here, let's do this. There we go. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the subscribe and like button. Comment below. If you have any suggestions, I'd be really, really happy to hear them. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!